Welcome to 1718 North 26th Place. This beautiful one-bath casita is perfect for a single person or couple looking to enjoy the convenience of downtown living while still experiencing the charm and character of the Arcadia area. Nestled within a quiet community, this home offers comfort, privacy, and style. As you step inside, you'll immediately notice how gorgeous the hardwood flooring that flows through this entire home. Natural light creates a bright and inviting atmosphere, making the open concept living feel even more spacious. The living room seamlessly connects to the kitchen, where you'll find a convenient breakfast bar that's perfect for adding a couple bar stools for casual dining or for entertaining. The kitchen has a beautiful remodeled features that offers stainless steel appliances, modern hardware, gas stove, and plenty of cabinet space and beautiful butcher block for all your storage needs. Just off the kitchen, you'll find a back door leading to your own private backyard. This outdoor space is perfect for enjoying your morning coffee, adding a cozy bistro table, or simply unwinding the evening. You will also appreciate the privacy back gate for added convenience. Now let's take a look into the bedroom. This spacious, bright, welcoming features a ceiling fan with plenty of natural lighting that creates comfort, a comfortable retreat. The bathroom is spacious, beautifully finished with modern silver fixtures. You'll also find a stackable washer and dryer, making laundry day simple and convenient. And finally, let's check out this amazing walk-in closet with shelving, storage space, and you'll have plenty of room to stay organized. This charming casita feels more like a home. Don't you wait, book a tour today or apply. We cannot wait to show you around.